Are you still having a hard time creating the right prompt for your blogs? Well, let me tell you something. What if ChatGPT can create the perfect prompt for your blog post? The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT, then we're going to type it in, create a mega prompt for this blog topic. Then just type it in the topic that you want, but for this video, I'm going to show you the SEO for marketing blogs. So as you can see here, ChatGPT is providing us the mega prompt that we're gonna copy it and paste it to ChatGPT itself, and they will provide us a perfect blog post for your website. Now, let's go ahead and copy this one and open a new chat, then paste the prompt here. Then erase this first sentence that ChatGPT gave us and also the last sentence. We have the prompt from SEO for marketing from ChatGPT itself. So as easy as that, you have the blog post that you want. So just let me know in the comments if you're having a hard time creating the prompt for your blog, for your post, or whatever you want. Just leave a comment down below. As easy as that, you already have the blog post for your social media. Let me know if you're still having a hard time creating the prompt for your ChatGPT, and leave a comment down below and we'll reach out to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye-bye. Have a great day.